Hi learners, once again a very welcome to my another new video. Hope you all are watching my videos and finding them helpful. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 common jewelry. I think all of you know about jewelry. Men and women both are using jewelry, but women are little more fond of it. We will learn the names along their spellings and correct pronunciations. So here we go. But today I want to mention that the spelling of brooch is slightly mistaken by me. There will no E at the end of brooch. So number 1, earring. E A R I N G, earring. Number 2, necklace. N E C K L A C E, necklace. Number 3, ring. R I N G, ring. Number 4, brooch. B R O O C H, brooch. There is no E in the spelling of brooch. Please pardon my mistake. Number 5, pendant. P E N D A N T, pendant. Number 6, bracelet. B R A C E L E T, bracelet. Number 7, choker. C H O K E R, choker. Number 8, bangle. B A N G L E, bangle. Number 9, waistband. W A I S T B A N D, waistband. Number 10, anklet. A N K L E T, anklet. Thanks for watching. Please do visit my channel, like it and share it with others.